Nowadays, tankless or instant electric water heater is more common in use in our houses. I'm Engineer Nasir. In this video, I will explain you how to select the capacity or size the tankless or instant electric water heater for your house. These instant or tankless water heaters are available in different shapes as per your requirement. You can use them for a combination of different fixtures, or you can use separate instant water heater for different fixtures. You can see in this picture we are using separate instant water heater for this wash basin mixer. Here for shower also we are using the separate instant water heater. For this faucet also we are using separate instant water heater. This instant water heater is to be used for a combination of different fixtures. There are two factors that need to be considered when sizing a tankless or instant water heater. Number 1, flow rate GPM, how much hot water you will need at a given time. Number 2, temperature rise. It is the difference between the incoming cold water temperature and the desired hot water temperature that you will need. To calculate GPM, first determine which fixture you want to use simultaneously. If you are using only one fixture, then you need to determine the GPM for that fixture. Like in this picture, we are using only one faucet, so we need to consider the GPM for this faucet. If we are using a combination of different fixtures as it is shown in this picture, then you need to add the GPM for all the fixture to calculate the total GPM required for the instant or tankless water heater. Second step is to calculate the temperature difference between the cold water entering the heater and the desired temperature of hot water that we need at the faucet. If we are using only one fixture, then you can see it is the difference between the incoming cold water temperature that is entering here and the desired hot water temperature that is we are using. If we are using a combination of different fixtures, then it is the difference between the cold water entering the heater and the outcoming hot water temperature. Let us make a simple calculation to select a tankless or instant water heater. Let us assume we will use simultaneously one standard shower, a dishwasher, a faucet, and a high efficiency washing machine. Using this table, we will select the GPM required for each fixture. For standard shower head, it is ranging from 1.5 to 3 GPM, so we will consider the maximum, that is 3 GPM. For dishwasher, for standard dishwasher we have from 2 to 4, so we will select the maximum for GPM. For faucet, it is ranging from 1 to 2.2, so we will select 2 GPM for it. For high efficiency washing machine, it is normally very less, so we will select from here 1 GPM. After selecting the flow rate for this fixture from the table, we will add up, and the result we get: standard shower 3 GPM, dishwasher 4 GPM, faucet 2 GPM, and high efficiency washing machine we consider 1 GPM. So 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 10 GPM. Typical faucet temperature ranges from 105 degree Fahrenheit to 120 degree Fahrenheit at all times, but for actual calculation you need to consider your actual requirement. Groundwater average temperature also ranges from 57 degree Fahrenheit to 70 degree Fahrenheit, but for your calculation you need to consider that is available at your area. For your calculation, you should consider the actual requirement of your appliances that you can find from the catalog of your appliances, or you can ask the supplier. For this calculation, let us consider the required temperature rise for hot water at 110 degree Fahrenheit, and the groundwater temperature available at our area is 70 degree Fahrenheit. then the required temperature rise will be 110 minus 70 equal to 40 degree Fahrenheit. For your calculation, you need to consider your actual temperature rise requirement, and you need to consider the actual temperature available for your groundwater. Then after doing this calculation, we have find the result. We have to select a tankless or instant water heater of 10 GPM capacity with a temperature rise of 40 degree Fahrenheit. So in this way, following these steps, you can select the tankless or instant water heater for your house. Thank you very much.